Assalamualaikum. I hope you're doing well. Even my dummy skin looks great before I'd. Now let's begin with the makeup. Firstly, I'll apply some powder to set the base. Then, I'll contour my nose to enhance its shape. Next, I'll fill in my eyebrows nicely to define them. Afterward, I'll use a concealer here, and with the help of a brush, I'll blend it seamlessly. Moving on, I'll take this brown eyeshadow from my paint kit and apply it to my crease line, blending it smoothly. Then, I use the same brown eyeshadow to set it beautifully on my eyelids, using a blending brush. Now, it's time for eyeliner. I'll apply a long eyeliner here, creating a cat eye look, something like this. Next, I'll take this golden eye paint and apply it to the center of my eyeliner, on both eyes. I hope you've watched my previous videos on eye makeup series. If not, you can search for Adha makeup series on YouTube. Thank you. Then, I'll apply this chunky glitter eyeliner. Moving on, I'll apply concealer to my waterline. I'll also blend the same colors on my lower lashes. Moving on, I'll apply concealer to my waterline. I'll also blend the same colors on my lower lashes. Next, I'll highlight my brow bone. I'll apply eyelashes and also put on lower lashes. After that, I'll highlight the tip of my nose and the inner corners of my eyes. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more captivating content, make sure to give it a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. Stay tuned for upcoming episodes of Beauty and Elegance. Meanwhile, the makeup is complete. It looks amazing and is easy to do. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.